Probability. Probability. Meaning of a probability is simple. It tells what is a chance. What is a chance of happening of something. Something can be anything. Okay. We will take some examples to understand meaning of a probability. It is telling us what will be possibility of happening of something. So chances. What are chances? What are chances of happening? So here probability can be classified, can be divided into four parts. Most likely something will happen. It is what most likely. Almost certain. Sometimes we say here we will be writing all this possibility into mathematics in way of mathematics, and we use these words in our daily life, day to day daily life. We use this possibility word to tell you this is a chance to happen this. Okay, that person will come. I don't know. They can come. They cannot come. Like that we say. So here, indirectly we are showing what possibility of coming of those person. So yeah, most likely or most uncertain, most probably it means 75% is a chance that something will happen. No chance at all. It means nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Chance is 0%. Here chance is 75%. Here chance is what 50%. Here chance is 25%. Like that you can divide. Uh, we will understand meaning of this with along with some questions. Experiment, random experiment. We have understood meaning of a probability. Meaning of I want to repeat again. Meaning of probability is that what will be chances of happening of something in mathematics. Okay, in mathematics. So experiment. It says you can take a coin of rupee, Indian rupees. Head one side you see what head, and the second side you would see what tail. We denote what by h, head by h, and tail by t. So here, uh, so experiment. Meaning of experiment is that experiment of a coin. You can take anything, but here we are taking a coin to understand meaning of experiment. Now you tell me, how much sides are there in coin? Are there in coin? You would say two sides. First is the head, second is the tail, and these two are what experiment. So here these are outcomes, total outcomes you can say. These are total outcomes. Okay. These are total outcomes that will be there of what coin, total outcomes. So these are total outcomes of coming uh, after tossing the coin. So head can come, tail can come. So these are total outcomes. So total outcomes of something is what experiment, a random experiment. It is nothing but we want whatever we want. For example, I want a head. You will toss by taking coin. So I want head. When head will come, then I can say yes, this head. So here you are saying head is one, and here whatever you want. So you will write upper in place of denominator, and how much are outcomes of something you will write in place of a denominator. So outcomes of a coin, how much? 2, and we want how much? 1. 1 is what head. one is head. So here this is all. Now from here I am observing what? I am observing something. 0 and 1. Probability will tell you what? Chances from 0 to 1 to till the 1. So if probability is 1, meaning of this is what? Something will happen. It is a confirm. It is a 100% chance that yeah, that will happen. Probability chance is 100%. If probability is 0, then we can say nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. So chances are 0, are nothing. So here is what? Probability. Probability of happening. So we will denote probability of happening by this, and probability of not happening of something of coin we will denote P by experiment. So here, if probability of happening is greater than 0 and less than 1, then we can say yeah, there is a something chance, there is a something chance. So chances, possibility, you will observe where between 0 and 1. Okay, if there is a number greater than 1, we can say not, that is not a probability, that is not a probability. If less than 0, then again we would say yeah, there is a no probability of something. Clear? Now here you can say when you will divide 2 by 1, then you will get 0 point something something. So something something is what? Chances. Something something is what? Chances. For example, after dividing this, you will get 0.5. So 0.5 is coming between 0 and 1. 0.5 is not 0, 0.5 is not 1. It is coming between the 0 and 1. So here 50%, we can say 50% is a chance that head will come. Head will come. 50% is a chance. So that's how you can find probability of coming head of a coin. Okay, like that you can find. No, simple space. Simple space is what? Uh, total total sides. For example, sample space of coin is what? H, total sides. So first side is H and second side is P. So these are total sample space of a coin. Okay. If a question asks to you, what is the sample space of dice you would say 6. There are 6 numbers of a sample space of a dice, and you can write what? 1. This is the first. This is second. This is third. So we have 6 sample space of a dice. So total sample space of something. Okay. We will denote it by S in our question. So sample space is just total space. Total, you can say, you can understand by other word, total space of something. So here in coin there are 2 spaces, H and P, head and tail. Now you have to find a sample space of a given question. Question is, you have this question and you have to find sample space. How to find sample space? It is very easy. We have understood meaning of sample space of something. So here question is tossing a coin. We now the total outcomes of a coin is how much? 2, H and T. So only a coin, tossing of a coin. So H and T. So sample space of this would be how much? H and T. This, okay. Now tossing a dice. Dice has 6 spaces. 6 spaces. Okay, 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Already tossing 2 coins. So first age is when we will toss a cone, then possibility will be what? 2 head will come one time, 2 tails will come, HT will come, TH will come. What else? Apart from this, nothing else. So those these are those simple space of tossing 2 coins. 2 coins. Okay, clear. No. What about this? 2 dice through. Meaning of this is what? 2 dice. We have not only 1 dice, 2 dice. When it comes to 2 dice, so 6 and 6 means 36. 36. So can we say when we will draw 2 dice, so what will happen? When we will roll, when we will throw a 2 dice in one time, what will happen? One can one can come, isn't it? One can come. So this is a one of one dice and this is a one of another dice. Second, 1 2, third 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 1 7, 1 8, only till the 6. Now what else? So you will get how much? 36. Do you want to say 36 simple space? Just look. 2 1. So we have what? 6 and 6 12. We have 12, 36. We should have 36. So can we write? We have how much? 18. Now next. Last one. Finally, we have written all 36 samples, sample space of two dice throw. Two dice throw. So these are 36 sample space that will come after throwing two dice. First, this can come 1 1. First, second, any anytime anything can come. 5 5 can come. 6 4 can come. Anything anytime can come. But apart from this, nothing else will come. Apart from this, you cannot say that 7 1 will come. No, it will be impossible. Okay, 7 is a no number in dice. So apart from this, from here to till here, nothing will come, and that is what is the main point. And from this number you will get after throwing two dice. Okay, so one point is clear. Apart from this, nothing will come and anything will come. So from this number anything will come, so you will get from this number. So these are simple spaces of two dice throw. Okay, clear? You can. So here we understood simple meaning of a simple space. Now next, we will have a little formula to find a probability of something. So this is a little formula. From this you can understand. From this you can understand probability. How to find probability of something? Just you can apply this formula. This is not a very difficult. You want to. So probability of happening. You can write it probability of happening. If you want to know probability of not happening, then just apply bar over the e. So meaning of this is what? Probability of not happening of something. Meaning of this is probability of happening of something. So here you will write first of all, and I have told you, but now again I want to explain this. number of outcomes, whatever you want, whatever question says that this will come from a coin. So whatever will come, we will write here. Whatever you want, so you will write here. And total number of outcomes of something you will write in place of a denominator, total. Then it will be possible to come what number which will be between 0 and 1. So anyhow, somehow you will get what, a number which will lie between 0 and 1. It will be possible, and it is 100% chance that yes, that number will come, that will be in what, 0 and 1, when denominator number will be greater than numerator number. When denominator number will be greater than numerator. That's why here it is saying that total outcomes of a coin, of something, you will write in place of a denominator, and whatever you want, so you will write in place of a numerator. Now here number will come, number can come what, 0. Number can come what a number which will be between 0 and 1. And third number can come what, 1 can come. So here meaning of a 0 is what, nothing will happen. Meaning of a 1 is what, yes, 100% is a chance that something will happen. Here will come 100% is a chance. That's how you determine to yourself. Okay, so yeah, this was meaning. So a number can come 1, or a number which will come will be between 0 and 1 when denominator number will be greater than numerator number. So you can see. So we will apply this formula. Now something else. What is the meaning of this? It is saying probability of happening of something can be what, greater than 0 or equal to happening, or equal to 0. So probability of happening will be greater than 0 and can be less than 1. Okay, but not can be greater than 1. So this is meaning. Otherwise it is saying that probability of a happening of something can be equal to 1. For example, we want 6 of dice, and outcomes of total outcomes of dice is what, 6. So here 1 is coming. So probability of happening of coming 6 of a dice is what, 1. Okay, so that is what was meaning of this. And then we have understood, but again we have understood. We have some questions. Question number 1 based on probability. This is what is the first question. Can we solve? It is very easy. We will find the probability of this question with logically. Find the probability of getting a head of a coin when a coin is tossed once, okay, not a two times, once times. So one head should come after tossing a coin once time. So one coin. Now we know sample space. Sample space of a coin will be a coin. So you would say HT, total sample space. Now question is saying only head should come. So can we say probability of happening of getting a head will be what? So one head is how much? One, and total outcomes we want a head. We have a written one. Now how much outcomes are there? Two, and after dividing 2 by 1 you will get what? 0.5, and this is a chance that head will come. So 50% is the chance. Meaning of this answer is 50% is the chance that head will come after a tossing once time. So that's how you will solve. Now next question is so this is a second question. So it is saying in a single throw of a dice find the probability of a getting number. So here it is saying can we write sample space, okay? For this I am solving. So total sample space of a dice would be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we are writing what? Total outcomes. In other words, we can say these are total outcomes of a dice. Now we want what? Greater than 2. This is what we want. So can we write directly probability of getting what? Numbers that should be greater than 2, not 2. Okay, so we have how much? 4 numbers. 4. So we want how much? 4 numbers greater than 2. And how much are total outcomes of a dice? So 6. After simplifying it, you will get what? 2/3. Here you can see, you can observe what? After dividing 3 by 2, you will get what? 0 point something something. 0 point something something. Here, how to identify? How to check that, yeah, this will come 0 point something something? Because so fraction, when fraction has a denominator as a greater number, so in fraction, denominator has a greater number and numerator has a less number than greater, then number will come in decimal but 0 point something something. You can see here. You can see here. And you know. So this was one question. Second question. Second question. So we have written total sample space of red eyes. Now let's find probability less than or equal to 0. So here we will have what 2 as well and less than 2. So here you can see 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So can we write 2 upon 6? We want how much numbers? 2 numbers of red eyes. After simplifying 1 upon 3. Again you can say denominator number is a greater than numerator. Third number, okay. Not a greater than 2, not a greater than 2 and not less than 2. It is also not saying that any number should not be less than 2. It is saying greater, not greater than 2. So only exact 2, only 2. So how much are numbers are there? You would say 2 will come only one time. So 1 upon 6. So finally 6 is again denominator is a greater than. So you will get 0 point something something. That's how you can solve. You can find probability of a only 2. So 1 upon 2. Now next question. you have this question. After understanding meaning of this, well shuffled deck of 52 cards. We have what well shuffled deck. You have 52 cards, 52 cards in which you have 26 black cards, 26 black cards, and 26 are your red cards, are your red cards, 26. You have 6 face card, 6 face black card, and 6 face red card, in which so total cards are there how much? 52, in which black cards are 26, and except black cards, you will have what 26 red cards. In this you will have what 6 face 6 black card face, and 6 face red card, 6 face red card. Here first question is be a face card, be a first face card. One card is a drawn, find the probability that the card drawn will be a face card. So can for first probability. So here it is saying a face card. So you have how much total outcomes? 52, and only a. It means 1. So total face card you have 12. Okay, you have 12 total face card, including black and red. Okay, black and red. Now, so it is saying be a face card. So you have how much? 12. You can simplify it. 2, 6 2 the, and 4, 2 2 the 4, and 2 6 the, 3 2 the 6, 32 the. So 3 upon 30. Again you will get 0 point something something. So this will be probability of coming 12 face cards. Now next is not be a face card. So we will subtract the 12 face card from 52. Then you will have what all cards except face card, except 12 face card. So second question is not be should there should not be any face card from 52 cards. So can we say 52 and 12, 0 4, so you will get 40. So 40 upon 52, 20, 26, 10, 36. So 10 upon 30. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. Now again you will get 0 point something something. So this was one question. Now it is a very clearly stating you You have a total how much? 52 cards. You have 52 cards. Okay, in which you have 26 black cards. 26 black cards. In which 6 are face card. In which are in black color. So you have 6 face cards from 26 black cards of 52 cards. Now, uh, apart from 26 black cards, you have what? You will have what? 26 red cards, including 6 face 6 red face card. I'm not saying 6 black red card. Not 6 red face card including. Okay. So here, if we take only face cards, total face cards from 26, then you will have 12 face cards, including black color face cards and red color uh, face card. So you will get 12 face cards from 20 from 52. Okay, from 52. So Kishan asked to you, how much are face cards from how much are face cards of red color? Then you would say 6 when it comes to color. Then Kishan asked to you, Kishan can ask to you, tell me what are number of those red face cards? You would say 6. What are number of those black face cards? Again you would say 6. Okay, so that's how you can you understood meaning of 52 cards. 26 black cards are there. There are 26 red cards. There are 12 face cards, including black color and red color. 12. Okay. Now next question. Next question. This will be next question. We have this question. What is it saying? First, as you know, first step is to understand what is the question saying. Then we will take next step to solve the question. In a badminton match, there is a there is a what happening a match, which is badminton match. In a badminton match between Rajesh and Joseph. Okay, one side is what Rajesh, second side is Joseph. So there is a what a badminton match. In badminton match, the probability of winning of Rajesh is how much? 0.58. So this is what chance of winning of Rajesh. So find the probability of first and second. So first, let's begin from first. Not winning of Rajesh, not winning of Rajesh. So here, of course, we will do. So we have given probability. We have given probability. So can we say here I applied bar. Now meaning of this is what? Probability of not happening. So probability of not winning of Rajesh is what? We will subtract this from 1. We will get what? 0.42. So now understand meaning of this is what? That answer came. So it is saying that it is this is chance that Rajesh will not win. Rajesh will not win. This is 0% 42 is a chance of not winning of Rajesh. Okay. Now, if you understand meaning of question, meaning of main word of a question from question, then you can have clear understanding what is a question saying. Okay. Without any lack of understanding, you will be able to solve with logically. Here, this was probability. Okay, as we know that probability is between 0 and 1, and probability can be 1 but not greater than 1. That's why here 0.58 is between 0 and 1. So we have subtracted 0.58 from 1 and we got what is 0.42, and it is telling us that this is a chance of not winning of Rajesh in badminton match. Now second question, winning of Joseph, not winning, can we say meaning of winning of Joseph? If winning of Rajesh is 0.58, then of course we can say 0.42 is what is a chance of winning of Rajesh. This is chance. This was chance of winning of Rajesh, and now this is left. And this is for Joseph, that Joseph will win, and this is chance. Now one thing more I wanted to tell you, we have written this. So when we add not happening, probability of not happening with probability of happening, then you will get what? Overall 1. So not happening plus happening will be what? 1. Clear 1. When you will add this 0.42 with 0.58, then you will get how much? 1. You can even see 0.42 plus 0.58. Of course, you will get 1. So meaning of this is what? This is this will not happen. Now next question. So here this is another question. This is another question. I want to you that solve it through yourself. Are you able to solve this question or not? So let's start with understanding. In a single throw of a dice, you have only a dice. You have only a dice, and you have to throw a dice only one time. Find the probability of getting number. So here, simplest ways for first time we can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are simple space of a dice. Of a dice. Now we have given 7. 7 is not in simple space. So we can say for first question what it will be impossible. It will be impossible. It will be impossible. Clear? It will be impossible. Now, my dear, because there is a no 7 number in simple space, that's why we are saying it is a impossible. There is a 100% chance that 7 will not come after throwing a dice one time. Anytime, not only one time. For second question, a number less than 7. Yeah, it is correct. A number, only a number, not all those numbers that are less than 7. Only one. So here we want only one number which is less than 7. Yes, yes. So can we say uh, probability of happening of probability of a coming of a 6 number, it will come one time, upon 6. I think what is that number that will be less than 6? 6. Okay, so we want 6 and total outcomes of a dice are 6. Now after simplifying it we are getting 1. So meaning of this answer is this is the probability of coming 6. So yes, there is a 100% chance. There is a 100% chance that 6 will come. 6 will come. Now, so here you can say meaning of this word in mathematics is what? 0, and meaning of this word in English word is what? Sure event. Sure event. Yes, it is possible. Now next question apart from this. No, Pankaj, this is complete question. This is complete question. Carefully read. Read carefully question. One by one one sentence by one sentence. So again, you have what a well shuffled the deck. So you have 22 cards. Total how much? 22 cards. One card is thrown. Find the probability that the card drawn will be what? One card will be what? So for first, be a black card. We have understood something, little information about 52 cards. So we are finding for first. So be a black card. How much numbers of black card are there from 52 cards? You would say 26. Total number of black cards from 52 cards are 26. So you can say we want with a 26 black card, not face card, black card. Black card, okay? And total cards are how much? 52. Now 32 is up and 26. So I think 1 upon 2. So here it is a 0.5. So 0.5 is coming between 0 and 1. 2 is a greater number than numerator. Now second question. Note B a red color. It means how much are not red color. So you will have what? You will have 26 black. It is saying you have 26 black cards. Meaning of this word is what? There are 26 black cards. Note. So again, this will what? 26 upon 52. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 again. But here meaning of this is what? It is saying there should not be all red color card from 26. Now whatever you will have left will be what? Black cards. So black cards are how much? 26. So here we have written 26 as a black cards. So here for next be a red card. Now again red cards. So you know there are 26 red cards from 52 cards. So 26 upon 52. Again you have what? 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. It means 0.5. This answer is telling you probability of happening. Probability of all red colors. So next, fourth, be a face card. Be a face card. Only face cards. So how much numbers of all face cards from 52 cards are there? You would say 12, as we uh, saw. So here, how much? 12. 12 are numbers of all face cards, including red color and black color. So 12 numbers of face cards are there, are from 52 cards. So upon 52, we will simplify it. So I think 2 6 are 26. So it is coming 1 upon 30. Again, I can say confidently that you will get 0 point. After dividing 13 from by 1, you will get 0 point something something. 0 point something something. Okay, because denominator number is greater than numerator. Now next question is, be a face card. Be a face card. Hold on. We have seen this. Next is fifth. Be a face card of red color. Of red. Only red. When it comes to color, then think carefully. So can we say red color, face red color from 52 cards? How much are they? You would say 6, only 6. 6 number of red colors, number of red face colors are 6. Number of black face color are 6. So total are 12. But question is saying only face card of red color. So we will add 6. 6 upon 52. Again 26. Okay. Now you have 3 upon 26. Again you will get 0 point something something. We have found all probability of given question. Here, hold on. 2 3s are. So here is what? 6 2s are and 26. 3 2s are and 32. So here is 3 upon 30. Next question. Next question is very interesting. You will enjoy. this is question. Okay, solve this. It is very easy. After reading this question, a single letter is selected at a random uh, from the word probability. P R O B A B I L I T Y. You have this word, and words are selected. Words are chosen from this word, and those letters are selected from this word, and those letters should be vowel. Should be what? Vowel. This is what is the meaning of this question. So, as you know, vowel is what? A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So, can you say sample space? You have how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. So, direct we solve. So, here vowel numbers. So total outcomes you have how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we want what? Vowel letters. So this one, 2, 3, 4. Only 4. You have 4. So this is the probability of coming vowel letters from probability word. This is 4. O, A, I, and again I. So that's how you will solve. Kishan can give you any letters, and you Kishan would say find constant letters from given a random word. Then you solve very easy with logically, as we saw in this question. Next question. Finally, this is complete your question. What is it saying? What is it saying? A dice is thrown. A dice is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a number less than 3. Less than 3. So it is very easy. All those numbers should be less than 3. So 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So you can find sample space. You can find sample space. So one sample space of a dice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these are sample space of a dice. So first question, for first question, less than 3. So we have two numbers. How much are total outcomes? So 6. 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3. So this is a possibility. Second, again here you can say denominator number is greater than numerator number. Now for second question, greater than 4, 5, 6 or equal to 4. So we will take 4 as well. So how much? 3. 3 upon 6. 3 to the 6. 1 upon 2. So this is a possibility of coming 3 numbers that would be greater than 4 or equal to 4. So for third question, less than 8. Less than 8, only 6 numbers. Less than 8. Can we say only 6 upon 6. So 1 number. So 7 number will not be there. Okay. Only 1. So 100% chance that 6 numbers will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these numbers. Fourth, greater than 8. So we can say it will be 0. It will be impossible. It will be impossible. Okay. It will be impossible to come 0. To come any number greater than 8. So that's how you will solve with logically. Now next question, which is different from the previous question. This is question. Now, a book. You have a book, and that book contains 85 pages. 85 pages. You have a book which contains 85 pages. So you can say in a book have how many pages? 85 pages. A page is chosen at random. What is the probability that the sum of the digit that will come on the page is 8? So it is saying, if you take any, for example 2, 3, 23, page number 23, which is of a book that you have. So here 23 is a page number. Now sum of this digits of this number should be 8, and those numbers we will take. So what are numbers of those which sum of all digits, both digits will be what? 8. So here 2 and 3. After adding 2 and 3, are are giving us what, how much, 5. So we will not take this number. Okay, so for example, 226, 26, here you can see this number we will take. Why? What is the reason? So reason is that after adding all two digits from this number, we will get what, 8. 8. Sum of these two digits, we are getting 8. That's why. And this is what Kishan is saying. Kishan is saying any random number you can take between 0 and 85, but sum of two digits of that number should be 8. This is what is the main question from this question. So here we can take what? So total, you can say total outcomes. Total outcomes you have 85. You have 85 from 0 to till the 85. Now we want what? We want favorable outcome. Favorable outcome. We want, so here 0, 8, 0, 0 plus 8, 8, 1, 7, 2, 6, 3, 5, 2, 6. So here 1, 7, here 8, 0. These are all those numbers numbers that will provide what, 8 after adding all digits, each digits. So here 0 plus 8 is giving 8 number. So after adding these two are giving how much? 8 number. 2, 6, 8, 3, 5, 8, 2, 6, 8. Again 2, 6, 8. So I think 1, 2, 3. So here will be 4. And here is what? 6, 5. What is happening? So here 4 and 4. 5, 3. 6, 2. 8, 0. So we have how much total favorable outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. You can see 6 to 8, 5, 3, 8, 4, 4, 8. So we can write probability of this from total outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 upon 85. 8 upon 85. Okay. So there is a one more number, 7. And now this will be 9. Just have a look.